Hello, everyone. Bill Lowry, eXp Realty here with your market report for Summit County, Ohio for July of 2026. Going to kick it off with the quantity of homes that we saw sell. So, June, we saw a really nice spike from the previous month. July, it continued to increase. So, 3% increase month over month, 11% increase year over year. And we finally are flat year to date. So, we started off really slow January, February. As you can remember, it was a cold winter. So, that's what led to that, what part of that caused that. Next, we're going to take a look at the median sale price. So last month, it continued to increase. We were 252,000, so slightly below a year ago. So we are flattening out a bit. Seeing pricing flatten year over year, obviously, but year to date are up 5%. So 5% January through July versus January of July of 2025. That's a 5% increase. National median is 434 100. So we are 44% cheaper below the national average. The national average did seem to peak out last month. We were in the 440 range. Median days to sell, 19 days. Last month, this month, a year ago. That's kind of strange, but they were all exactly the same. The national median days to sell is 29. So you might be hearing some headlines that things are turning into more of a buyer's market. Simply not the truth this year in our region for Summit County and the surrounding counties. We are selling homes 34% faster than the national average. That's also shown here by month supply. So we're at 1.8 months of inventory. As you can see, it's been pretty balanced. This is a typo. Last month it was not 1.1. I think it was 1.7. But national median 4.6 months of inventory. So you can see the national is much more balanced. Last time we were in a market that was balanced in Summit County, possibly January of 2018, but really here in 2016-17, that's when things were a little closer to balance, but leaning a little bit still towards the sellers. And then going to finish here with the price inventory trend. So 10 years ago, median price in Summit County under 100,000. As we talked about, we're at 250. So incredible price appreciation in the past 10 years. But once again, I think things seem to be stabilizing. When you were looking for a house 10 years ago, I probably would have told you that I hadn't seen inventories as low as they were because I started in 2008. We had 2,700 homes to look at. Now we're just over 1,000, but creeping up a little bit here. So that's the data for the month. If you need anything from me, let me know. If you want any changes made to this, any additional info, just let me know. I love this stuff and hope to connect with you soon. Talk soon. Bye.